Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Ford Explorer's AC. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the engine off. Identifying the low-pressure service port is your first crucial step. This port is typically found on the larger diameter line of the AC system, often marked with an L or a blue cap. Taking these initial precautions ensures a safe and effective process. To begin, gather your essential tools, including a refrigerant recharge kit equipped with a pressure gauge. Once you have your kit, start your Ford Explorer's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Carefully attach the quick connect fitting from your recharge kit onto the low-pressure service port. Ensure it clicks securely into place to prevent any refrigerant leaks during the process. This connection is vital for accurate pressure readings. With the kit connected, observe the initial pressure reading on the gauge. This reading helps determine if your system is low on refrigerant. Now, hold the refrigerant can upright and squeeze the trigger to add refrigerant in short, controlled bursts, usually lasting 5 to 10 seconds each. Between bursts, release the trigger and check the pressure gauge. Continue this process until the gauge indicates the pressure is within the recommended range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the desired pressure is reached, quickly and carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. Test your Ford Explorer's air conditioning system by feeling the air coming from the vents. It should now be significantly colder. If the AC still isn't performing optimally, or if you notice any unusual noises, it might indicate a larger issue. In such cases, seeking a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection is highly recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.